Man, I have some stinky shoes, so I'm hoping this will fix it. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. It's by Kiwi. They make a lot of shoe products. This one is called the Sneaker Deodorizer. I don't know why it says step 3, but it does. And I was kind of interested in this. I was going to get a can of regular foot spray because I like spraying them in there. You know how they do it at the bowling alley. But this one is actually meant for deodorizing sneakers. I think the other sprays are kind of meant to put on your feet mostly, but this one has kind of this interesting inverted bottle here. You can see we've got the canister up here, but then we have this little flared out bottom here. There's a little arrow right there, so I'm going to turn it to that way. And now we have the nozzle which points down. So you would put this in your shoe and press down, and it's going to shoot that deodorizer into your shoe. So it's actually kind of a nifty design. You don't have to worry about kind of trying to angle it down or inverting the can, because a lot of times the propellant won't squirt out the deodorizer correctly when it's inverted. I was inverted. Bullshit. So this is really nice, and then when you're done with it, I think you can just close it up, put it back on the shelf, those types of things. So first of all, I do want to just test this and see what that looks like, see if we get a nice shot of deodorizer coming out of there, and then see if my old shoes, the old shoes that I really love, but the old shoes that are looking pretty ugly and smell very bad, if I can just keep them, because they're so comfortable and they're great shoes to wear when I'm mowing the lawn or working outdoors. Let's try it. All right, so I've got this thing opened here, and I am going to just go ahead and set this down on the floor because I want to actually see how this works. So I'm just going to go ahead and press down on the top here. Ooh, yeah, baby. That shot that out. Look at that. That was actually some pretty serious force on that. That gives me a lot of hope that that is going to get deodorizer all the way to the toe of the shoes. So this is really promising because what I have here are my Adidas spikeless golf shoes. And these are golf shoes that I picked up a year or two ago. I have played around with them and golfed in them many, many times. And they are looking pretty ragged, as you can tell here. But they are totally broken in and they are super comfortable. And even though I don't necessarily golf in them anymore, they are perfect for working out in the yard, quickly slipping on, doing something where I don't have to worry about them. They can get beat up. And I really want to preserve them because I'm also super cheap. So instead of just getting a new shoe because it smells good and it's going to get beat up anyway, maybe this sneaker deodorizer can keep these shoes in the lineup and prevent me from having to just throw them away. So let's give it a try. So what I'm going to do here is just aim that hood forward there and go ahead and press this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. And then this one too. The deodorizer is just wafting out of there. I'm going to give it another shot. You know, if some is good, more is better. All right, so I've gone ahead and hit those. Now, let's just go ahead and take a whiff. My gosh, you know, I put my nose all the way up there, and I tell you what, they smelled like the deodorizer, which is to say they smell pretty good, because I will tell you that these smell pretty bad. They were this close to going into this bin right there, because I care about how they look. They are just so comfortable. They're easy to put on. They work great. They give me lots of support, so I don't want to get rid of them. I'm pretty cheap. Just FYI. So if you want to pick up Kiwi Sneaker Deodorizer in this awesome little well-designed canister, I think you're going to dig it. I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever face.